Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the 12-bottle bar version of the Mai Tai. In order to make this drink, we're going to start with a 1/4 ounce of orgeat and a 1/4 ounce of rich simple syrup, which is a 2-to-1 simple syrup. I do make all my syrups here. Recipes are on the channel. I'll link down below if you want to check those out. A 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters, and I'm going to pour both of these ingredients right into the same jigger because a 1/4 ounce is small and these are thick, and I want to get as much of it out as possible. So that's the orgeat, and this is the simple. Add that to my shaker. 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Then 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Now, I'm going to crush some ice. Ice crushed, I'm going to add that to the shaker and give that a shake. Now, the recipe on the 12-bottle bar does say to strain out the ice, and there's going to be no ice in the glass, so I'm actually going to double strain this. And I found this a little surprising since most traditional Mai Tai recipes have crushed ice in the glass or an open pour to keep the ice in with the cocktail. Set that aside. Garnish. The 12-bottle bar lists 3 possible garnishes: sprig of mint, a brandied cherry or a candied cherry of some sort, and or an orange slice. Since the oranges I can get up here are really big and they don't fit well in the glass, I'm going with a Luxardo cherry and, I tried to do something clever with the garnishes here but it didn't work out, and a sprig of mint. So the cherry's going to go there, and I'm going to whap this. There's a cherry syrup all over it. And that's it. There you have it. A 12-bottle bar Mai Tai. Drink with good spirits.